everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be sharing with you a quick unboxing video. This year, 2019, Dooney came out with some really fun spring and summer colors for their Florentine collection. I was recently able to actually purchase the Small Hattie Crossbody in the color Salmon. This color is so beautiful. In person, it's much lighter than it does show in camera. Camera looks like a really bright orange, but it's a little bit more pale in person. It might be the lighting also. This is a great size crossbody, and I was also able to purchase the Florentine Large Framed Purse in the same color. So here I'm showing you a quick close-up of how smooth this Florentine leather is all around the bag. The strap is the usual crossbody strap, but it is not detachable, so it's just a fixed crossbody handbag. This size is somewhat of a small, maybe medium size, depending on your preference. To me, this is a great small size. It can carry a lot of your daily things. This bag is so nice. I loved how smooth everything was all the way around. I didn't want to take it apart completely. I wasn't sure at first if I was going to be keeping it, but I did want to come and share with you. The framed purse is the same. It's beautiful. It's smooth. Same exact shade. And it's a little larger than I thought it would be. But I think because the small is actually a little bigger than most people think, this framed purse would actually fit really nice as maybe a small wallet or an add-on to a wallet. But it's a great combination. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video. Bye now.